Chichen Itza, located in Mexico, is a famous archaeological site that attracts tourists from all over the world. Its rich history and breathtaking landscape make it a must-visit for travelers interested in ancient civilizations. The landscapes of Chichen Itza are truly mesmerizing. The site is home to iconic structures such as the Temple of Kukulcan, also known as El Castillo, which rises above the ground and commands attention with its impressive architecture. The large ball court, with its massive walls and intricate carvings, provides a glimpse into ancient Mayan sports. If you're planning a trip to Mexico, a visit to Chichen Itza should definitely be on your itinerary. The combination of historical significance, stunning architecture and enchanting scenery makes it a must-visit destination for any travel enthusiast or history buff.